The right golf bag can make your round feel effortless or frustrating. Whether you're walking 18 holes or loading up a cart, having a bag that fits your gear, your game, and your routine matters more than most people think. In this video, we've rounded up 6 of the best golf bags available today, including lightweight stand bags, reliable cart bags, and even a travel option built for airline protection. Each one was chosen for a specific type of player. All the bags we mention are linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out as we go. Number 6. Club Glove Pro Traveler. If you've ever flown with your clubs, you know how stressful it can be. Club heads sticking out, zippers busting mid-transit, wheels that can't handle a curb. The Club Glove Pro Traveler solves all of that. Built specifically for golfers who fly frequently, this bag is designed like armor for your gear. The exterior is made from ballistic nylon. It's abrasion-resistant, water-repellent, and just about as tough as anything short of hard plastic. Inside, there's plenty of room for a stand or cart bag, plus your shoes, towels, and other travel essentials. What really stands out is the padding. There's a high-impact plastic base for structure, and the top is heavily reinforced to protect your club heads from baggage handlers and conveyor belts. It fits almost any full-size bag, but thanks to compression straps and dense foam in key spots, everything stays tight and secure. Moving through the airport is easier than expected for a bag this size. There's also a TSA-compliant zipper and lock-ready tabs, which is a small but important detail for frequent flyers. It's worth noting this isn't a bag you'll use on the course. It's strictly for transporting your actual golf bag and gear. And while it's not the cheapest option, it's been the go-to for many college golf programs and even some touring professionals, which says a lot. If you're someone who travels regularly for golf and wants true peace of mind when checking your clubs, the Club Glove Pro Traveler is one of the most trusted names in the category. It's not flashy, it's just solid, protective, and built to do one thing really well: keep your club safe from point A to B. Number 5. Vessel Player Air Stand Bag. If you walk the course more often than you ride, weight matters, but so does how that weight is distributed. The Vessel Player Air Stand Bag strikes a rare balance between premium craftsmanship and walk-friendly design. Coming in at just under 5 pounds, it's one of the lightest stand bags in its class, but it doesn't feel like it sacrifices anything to get there. The exterior is made from a high-quality synthetic leather that looks polished but is also water-resistant and durable. Unlike most lightweight bags, this one actually feels luxurious. A hand-finished feel, clean lines, and subtle detailing that give it a tour-grade appearance. It's available in limited colorways, but every version keeps a clean, minimalist look. Functionally, it's strong where it counts. Add in self-adjusting padded shoulder straps and a built-in handle at the top, and carrying it for 18 holes feels more comfortable than expected. There's thoughtful storage here too. A magnetic accessories pocket keeps rangefinders or gloves within quick reach, and the velour-lined valuables pocket protects your phone, keys, or watch from scratches. It's not the most pocket-heavy bag on the market, but what's here is enough for a full round without clutter. This bag isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's a lightweight, upscale stand bag made for golfers who walk often and care about how their gear looks and feels. The premium price might be a sticking point for some, but for those who value quality over quantity, the Vessel Player Air delivers a clean, sharp experience from the first tee to the walk-up 18. Number 4. OGIO All Elements Hybrid Bag. If your rounds include both walking and cart play, and you've ever been caught in a downpour mid-round, the OGIO All Elements Hybrid Bag might be exactly what you've been missing. Designed to handle both movement and moisture, this hybrid-style bag gives you real versatility without cutting corners on protection or storage. First off, it's fully waterproof. The exterior fabric is designed to shed rain quickly, and all zippers are seam-sealed to keep your gear dry. Even the valuables pocket is lined and weather-ready, which is something most bags in this category skip. For wet weather golfers or anyone who plays early morning rounds in damp conditions, that's a real bonus. This is a hybrid bag, meaning it's built to stand up on its own with sturdy legs, but it also features a molded base that sits securely on a golf cart without slipping or rocking. The 8-way top has full-length dividers, so your clubs stay separated and protected regardless of how you're carrying it. Storage is also dialed in. You get 9 or more pockets depending on the configuration, including a magnetic rangefinder pocket, an external ball silo for quick reloads, and even a cooler pocket. The layout feels practical and easy to get used to. Bonus points for being made with recycled materials. Part of OGIO's push toward more sustainable gear. While it's not the lightest bag in this lineup, the trade-off is worth it if you're dealing with variable conditions or switching between walking and riding often. The dual strap system is comfortable and padded, and it carries well even with a full load. The OGIO All Elements Hybrid Bag delivers solid performance in almost any setting. If you want a bag that keeps up with your changing playstyle and holds strong in the rain, this one covers all the key bases, without looking or feeling overbuilt. Number 3. MotoCaddy Protekta Cart Bag. For golfers who use electric carts or powered trolleys, club organization and bag stability can make a big difference. The MotoCaddy Protekta Cart Bag is purpose-built for those players, and it goes all in on structure, storage, and noise reduction. No more clattering clubs or shifting weight mid-round. At the top of the bag is where the real standout feature lives, a 14-way divider system with individual rotating sleeves. Each club has its own slot, and the rotation helps guide the shaft into place without friction. The result? No tangled grips and no club-on-club contact. If you've ever driven over a bump and winced at the sound of your irons knocking together, you'll appreciate the silence here. This bag pairs especially well with MotoCaddy's powered trolleys thanks to the EasyLock TM base, which locks directly onto the cart without needing a strap. It also has an anti-twist bottom to prevent sliding or leaning during movement. While the Protekta can technically work with any cart, it's clearly optimized for powered units. There's no shortage of storage either. 9 waterproof pockets give you a place for everything, from apparel to valuables. And there's a dedicated dry tech compartment for keeping things truly moisture-free. You also get a battery cable channel, a nice touch for golfers using electric equipment that needs charging on the go. Extra features like a Velcro glove patch, umbrella holder, and towel hook round out the setup. At around 7.9 pounds, it's not exactly lightweight, and it's definitely not designed for carrying. But if you use a cart for every round and want high-end organization without any fuss, this bag checks all the right boxes. The MotoCaddy Protekta Cart Bag doesn't try to do everything. But for tech-minded golfers focused on clean layout, quiet rides, and secure storage, it gets the job done better than most. Number 2. Cobra Ultralight Pro Cart Bag. Cart bags don't have to be bulky or overloaded to be functional, and the Cobra Ultralight Pro Cart Bag proves that point well. Weighing in at just around 5.3 pounds, it's noticeably lighter than most full-size cart bags, but it still brings all the key features most golfers expect. That combination of weight, storage, and price makes it one of the most balanced options out there. You get a 14-way top with 3 full-length dividers, which gives you a good level of club separation without the overly stiff structure some bags use. It's easy to organize, and just as easy to pull clubs out without everything shifting. The top also includes grab handles that make it simple to lift in and out of the trunk. In terms of storage, the Cobra Ultralight Pro packs in 11 total pockets, including a cooler pocket for drinks, a fleece-lined valuables pocket, and 2 full-length apparel compartments. The layout feels intuitive, and every pocket is accessible while mounted on a cart. There's also a pass-through strap channel, which means your bag stays secure without covering up access to the main compartments. Other nice touches include a dedicated rangefinder pocket on the outside for quick access, solid zipper quality throughout, and a weather-resistant build that holds up well on damp mornings or in light rain. The only real drawback is the cooler pocket. It's serviceable, but smaller than others in this category. Still, for most players that's more of a nice-to-have than a deal-breaker. For golfers who ride most rounds and want a full-featured cart bag that won't weigh them down, physically or financially, the Cobra Ultralight Pro offers a thoughtful blend of functionality, portability, and value. Number 1. Mountain Matchplay Stand Bag. If you're looking for one bag that checks nearly every box, lightweight, easy to carry, durable, and functional, the Mountain Matchplay Stand Bag delivers exactly that. Built for players who value comfort and clean design, it's one of the most well-rounded stand bags available today. Weighing in at around 4.5 pounds, it's light enough for full walking rounds but still feels structured and supportive when loaded with a full set. The 4-way top includes full-length dividers, which helps reduce club tangle without adding unnecessary bulk. While some players prefer more dividers, this setup strikes a good middle ground between organization and weight savings. Carrying the Matchplay feels easy, thanks to the integrated dual strap system. It's padded with high-density foam and sits evenly across your shoulders, distributing weight without digging in. For quick moves around the practice range or up to the tee, there's also a built-in lift assist handle that's subtle but sturdy. You get 6 total pockets, including a full-length apparel pocket, a lined valuables pocket, and a hydration sleeve. The ball pocket is streamlined but surprisingly roomy, and accessory loops are placed logically for towel, glove, and rangefinder attachments. Nothing feels like an afterthought. The exterior is made from durable nylon with a reinforced bottom for added protection where the bag meets the ground. The stand mechanism is stable and deploys quickly, with wide-set legs that keep the bag steady even on uneven surfaces. While it doesn't claim to be waterproof, the fabric holds up well in light weather, and the zippers are solid. The only real limitation is the 4-way divider system. Players who like a slot for every club may find it a little tight, especially with thicker grips or multiple wedges. But for most golfers, it's a well-balanced setup that prioritizes carry comfort over compartmentalization. The Mountain Matchplay Stand Bag doesn't try to stand out with flash. It just works, consistently and comfortably, round after round. For weekend walkers or players who want simplicity and smart design, this one earns its top spot. That wraps up our list of the top 6 golf bags, from rugged travel options to lightweight stand bags and fully featured cart models. Each one offers something a little different depending on how you like to play. Whether you're walking every hole, riding with friends, or flying out for a golf trip, the right bag makes the whole experience smoother. Let us know in the comments which bag fits your style, or if there's another one you think deserves a spot on the list. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you narrow down your search, we hope it makes your next round that much easier.